In this tutorial, we'll talk about more advanced prompts. For this prompting, sometimes I'm using ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini, or other prompting agents. It's like chats. So I'll just copy paste my old prompt from this image. So redesign the building, it reacts directly to surrounding. Of course, you can feel free to make any prompt you wish, really, any prompt you wish. I'm just simply showing you my experience. So redesign the building so it reacts directly with the surrounding, urban fabric, landscape, scale views, creating architecture that feels deeply rooted in its environment. It's like something from essay about architecture. So of course I used AI for that. I'm not the big essay expert. So some of the descriptions, they really need AI because we are not always perfect in the poesy, in texting. So yeah, I'm selecting source image. Let's paste the second one. Transform the building into organic, nature-inspired structure forms, natural growth patterns, interact greenery, terrace, biomorphic elements in core architecture language. Okay, that's quite advanced. Let's hit make and let's see the result. You can click a few times and then we will delete the most uninteresting. So it's always a good way of testing when you try to give 3-4 tests for NanoBanana Pro. And let's test the last but not least. So transform the building using industrial architecture language, expose structures, raw materials, honest details, reimagine and refine the contemporary way. As you see, I'm not putting any information about the environment, that I want to leave the environment or not, or redesign it. Just like give it a try, because it's a reimagining tutorials and we try to find creative ideas. So I don't want to limit AI too much. But of course we can put negative prompts, that what we want or what we don't want to do. Okay, this is quite creepy. I'll reimagine it a few times because I don't think that's exactly what I wanted to see here. So I'll give a try to our first prompt a few times. And let's wait a second for the results. And here we go. So I think maybe we will even remove this result. This looks really bad. And yeah, I'll also make a little bit cleanup. So it was first tutorial. And here we have a second tutorial. Yeah, and while we are waiting, I will be glad to show you also information about design when we use very popular architects or some styles, but architects is a good example. And yeah, we can just simply select the source image and use my prompt. Reimagine the architecture using design language of Zaha Hadid architects. Of course, very typical, very common, but I love it and I wanted to show you. Introducing fluid geometry, dynamic forms, continuous surfaces, and sense of motion while maintaining functional logic. So that's quite typical, because you want to use something you see, you want to use something and it's one of the key points how to use prompting. Your prompting is built on someone's style, and you can mention whose style it was. So what was inspiration for you? Here we have a second prompt: transform the building toward the architectural language of Foster and Partners, prioritizing structure clarity, high-tech elegance, lightweight forms, precision detail, and performance-driven design. Okay, and I'm saying let's do the same. I'm creating 3 designs, and we will remove some of them. Okay, and do the last, I think it will be about big. Yes. So the same, Control C. I'm jumping back to my new source file and simply clicking Control V. So adapt the building toward big architecture approach by combining bold geometry with rational logic, playful messing, readable concepts, and architecture driven by both functions and storytelling. So when we click make, what's going on in AI's brains? So AI now trying to find in internet information about big architecture, how it looks like, and it gives you something similar to it try to combine and find some similar, ideas of their architecture, of their some information, what they are declaring of their architecture, and now it tries to change your architecture to this information. It's research about big architecture. So it's something where it's a very simplified description how AI works. So here we have a block of tests where we tested prompts connected to popular architecture companies. And here I will remove this image, it's making a mess me. And here we have some more creative, more poesy prompts. So what we have received? We received here is about redesigning building and surrounding urban fabric, creating architecture that deeply rooted in its environment. Yes, it's a very good prompt, really good prompt. It tries to really put your architecture inside the nature, and it's very important. So when you design anything, to play with the context, to play with the surrounding. So yeah, this prompting is really good. As you see, first image maybe not so good, but this one and this one is like quite interesting. Here we had information about grown patterns, greenery, biomorphic elements, and yeah, very good, very good. This one is quite good. Like it's we can also compare the source image. Right click, compare A, right click, compare B, and let's compare it. As you see, the environment is exactly the same. Like we really have a new architecture. We really have, it's very similar. So yeah, we have the same 2 floors. We even have the same stairs here. Everything is the same, but it's truly a new style. So yeah, like feel free to test it. Here we have more crazy design, like too much for me. And this one is also too much, but this one is quite realistic. It's really possible to create. And here's the last test for more poesy description. Transform the building using industrial architecture language, expose structures. Yeah, also good. Also good. Not my favorite style, but I wanted to show you the difference and how different it can be. Please also remember that you can prompt at any language you wish. Really, literally any language. It can be very helpful for you, because I know 4 languages, and I'm using English simply to explain you because it's comfortable for everybody. But feel free really to use any language. Also remember that you can also discuss deeper different cases with AI. Like you can add feelings. Yeah, we can paste here information that I want to feel it cozy. I want to feel it I don't know, terrifying architecture, different tasks in architecture and in the renderings. So feel free to test any words, any emotional connections you wish, because the new generation of AI, it's mostly about emotions. And let's check our architecture results. So this block was used as an example when you use some reference as architecture companies. You can use also references as architects, as books, films, anything you wish, as a popular, world of, I don't know, Marvel or anything, or Star Wars. You can, any popular words, any popular keywords which Google knows, it will give you some mixed styles, mixed ideas when it can research it on the internet. So yeah, what we received? We received this design, this, and this one. I think this one is good. It's very similar to our main design. So right click, compare A, right click, compare B, hit button, enlarge with left mouse. And yeah, that's exactly what I'm looking for. I mean that just check, we have exactly the same environment, the same trees, the same stone, the same stairs, everything is exactly the same. Even the window is exactly the same, but we received completely new idea how we can redefine this design in a Zaha Hadid style. Yeah, and perfect. I have nothing to add. This really good job. NanoBanana is really good engine. So here what we have Foster and Partners. Yeah, similar style. And my favorite, Big. Yes, I'm a big fan of their architecture, always creative, always untypical, always new mass ideas. And if you know a little bit more in architecture world, you can use really different architecture companies, architects, because you know what is their main idea, what is their main style. This is like quite interesting because it's completely different, this image, with our source image. I mean, the angle, the environment, everything. But this image is very typical for Big. I mean that this style of presentation is very typical for them. So yeah, it's now the NanoBanana took our prompt more serious than our source image in this case. So this is a very funny example. Yeah, so this was the block about more advanced prompting with detailed descriptions, with some more creative emotional descriptions, and prompting based on architecture companies. And yeah, that's companies or styles or other popular words you know, other popular words you can mention in your description, and feel free to test it, and hope to see your results soon on the social media. Tag us and see you soon.